Hi guys! Magandang araw! Pupunta kami ngayon sa Maynila para mag-celebrate ng extend birthday ni Lariela. Okay, let's go! We were gonna ride train. That is the train station. Ayaw niyang tanggapin yung aking pera. Siguro wala itong panukli kaya binabalik niya yung pera. And nagtry ako ng smaller bill pero ayaw niya talagang tanggapin. Siguro meron itong sira. Kaya yan, nagpunta na lang ako sa cashier. And finally, nakasakay na kami dito sa train papuntang Recto. Marco, we are here in Recto Station. I-shoot mo, shoot mo. Shoot! I-shoot mo dun, oh. Sa baba. Ayan. Hi guys! Kain tayo. Chicken. Ganun ang mag-video ganyan lang. Di ba? From Luneta, sumakay kami ng tuk-tuk papunta sa Manila Bay Dolomite.
Put it in the mic. Put it back on your shoes.
Mark, doon! Shoot there in the hole.
Lakpan mo na lang kasi hirap kasi yung imagine eh.
Good job, Mark.
It's the map.
Yes, that's the map. Thank you po. Somebody's watching you. Dun, 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 dun. Charot. What is that? A cake for your birthday party.
Punta sila dito.
I don't know. Might be as later. Evening. Saan mo? Yusin mo naman yung hair mo. Careful ah. Wow. Lariela Jane. Baliktad Jade Ina. Turns 10. Happy birthday. Love, mom and dad. Nice. Mark, give to ate anak. Thank you po. Very fast, very fast. Wait lang. Pwede na lang. Ba't Coke yun. McDonald's. And then... Uy, wait lang. Kailan pa ako nag-video na pangit ka? Pangit. Mga busy. Ayan. Gandara. Gandara. Haan. Haan. Haan nga. Wala pa mamaya pa yung age. Wala, sige, sige.
I wanted to run. Wow.
Keep to, mama.
You're so strong, I think.
Wow, thank you. Guntingin mo na kasi.
Happy birthday.
Guntingin mo, kaya nga may gunting eh. Domino's Pizza. First time naming mag-order ng Domino's Pizza. Pero alam ko na to, guys. And, are you happy?
Yeah.
Wow!
Wow.
Ano ba yung cellphone?
Oh, kunin mo. Kunin mo.
Later.
Hey everyone! It's my birthday! Sumango ka dito. Harap ka dito. Ganyan. Nay, panatiniriti-riti rin. Let's see what's inside of this. So, nagkikrave daw yung mga bata ng mang inasal naman. Nag-order ako ng plate. Yan, yung 3 paa and then 6 na barbecue. Takpan mo muna. Takpan ko muna. And then, the other thing,